Hello guys, it's me, Roblox Gamer 6689. I think. Wait, let's check. What's my name again? Roblox Gamer 66. There's more to it. Meron pa yun. Six, Roblox Gamer 6689. 6689. Alright. Now let's go to Roblox. What should we play? Oh no, we should play a new game. Should play a new game here. What game should we play? Bro. Subnautica Lock with TV. What about Clash of Clans? Or what about... Nah, only this. Alright, what should we play? My voice is weak. I don't know why. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, no, no. Ouch. Tower of Hell, nah. Tower, we already played that. Scary Steel, a brain rot. Endless escape scene, poses, sniper, draw me. Speed draw, kick a lucky block. Link things and people. Catalog flick. Time RNG. Dress to impress. Natural disaster, a classic. This is a classic. Natural disaster survival. I love this game. My favorite natural disaster is the the one that has a big winds, tornado. No, basta maybe it's a tornado. Tornado, yep, tornado. Bro, why is this so slow? Why is this so slow? The Wi-Fi is so bad. Like in every game, except for Brain Rot Drone. It was so good. Break a Brain Rot. Dade, pain na. Lakas naman nun, no? Nagre-record baga ako. Ay, sorry. Bro, why? Oh my goodness. Ano naman this? Let's just play though. Let's just play Draw Your Brain Out. Or let's show you my channel. Wait. Oh, there! Told you this one is doesn't need, basta. Basta means, I don't know. I don't know what basta means in English. Draw your brain rot. That guy is a good drawer. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh my god. 44, 45, 46, 47. We are recording in 450, 451, 452, 453, 454, 455, 456, 457, 458, 459, See, I don't know. 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 9, 5, 10. Oh, I'm a little bit early. Oh, finally, I hear the sound. Oh, we should make sound like that because maybe I will get copyright. Okay, no, I won't get copyright. I'm singing it. That's in Minecraft. Then I Tommy. Tippy Toppy. Wait, let's pick color. And then and then we're gonna make it like that. What the hell? What the this thing? You gotta go faster. You gotta push out and then oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Oh, I didn't finish it, guys. So bad. What the hell? I haven't fixed it. These drawings are banned. Mine's gonna be. I didn't want. Bye. How did this one again? I picked this one. Okay. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Parkour, 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 parkour. Oh my! All right, you have. Let's draw. Bro, get. Oh, tata sa. That's easy. That's easy. That's easy. Get out. No, bro, can you get out? Oh my goodness. Can you just get out? Bro, I did it. Alright. Wait, I'm missing my head, my torso, and my. Oh my god. What does it go? Why? Ting. No. Okay, I don't. Battle pass. Battle pass. Whoa, I didn't know you can move it. See, it's like this. Ha, please vote me. Yay, 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 yay. Please vote me. Wow, the beautiful tatata sahu. Man, man.
Magmerienda ka muna, akin na itong ano. Birthday yan, Dini.
Ano yan, mami? What's this?
Ang cute, oh. May parcel ka dyan, hindi pang delivery. Regalo mo na sa akin. Toothbrush. Toothbrush ano? Tapos ito, lagay na.
Let's draw. Alright. This is the end of the video. I can't do the lirila. I'm gonna leave. I cannot do the lirila. Alright, bye.